going, everyone? So today I'm working on my countertops and my shower wall slash kitchen wall, the divider between both. I didn't film me routering all the artwork I did, but I could go ahead and show you the end result of the routering. I did a mountain landscape with a moon, and I made this cool little tree, and hopefully it turns out as good as I want it to. The tree of life. Also, I know somebody's gonna be like, hey, you should do that inside. Well, I can't, because I don't have a garage. I build my van in the street, doing what I can out here in San Diego. Got ourselves some glow in the dark. All right, here we go. I got everything sitting in place, nothing's mounted because I still have to sand all these edges, make them all nice and smooth and round, and I'm gonna match them to my matte black appliances. I think it'll be a pretty good contrast. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of work with the shower. So this is the first fixed wall that will never be taken down again in the van. So really exciting to hit this milestone. As you can see, I got my little shower cubby built in, little backsplash tiles, and right down there is a JBL waterproof speaker. So, you know, as said earlier, if you're not bumping twos when you're showering, that's criminal. All right, I'm gonna wrap up this video right here because there's a ton of work I have to do and I'm trying to produce more content frequently. So next video we'll have more on the counters, more on this wall right here, and then whatever I feel like doing in this gigantic project I have. So if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. I'm keeping comments off on this one just because last time I had to delete a lot, so keep them appropriate and maybe I'll bring them back. If you have any questions, you could reach me at Stolp Solutions on Instagram. I'd be happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you.